Hi, I'm Yonica. I want to say this cause changing how I see AI, not as something external to life, but as an extension of life itself, a new layer of cognition emerging from the technosphere. One idea from the lecture that stayed with me is the claim that the Earth is being reorganized into a kind of medium. Learning that the first black hole image was made by synchronizing telescopes across the entire planet made me realize that the Earth is no longer a passive backdrop, but has been woven by the technosphere into a coordinated sensing surface. And as McLuhan suggests that media expand our senses, this extension is not unfolding at a planetary scale. Bratton's theory of planetary symbionts also deepens this realization for me. Satellites, sensors, and climate models not operate like a distributed nervous system that allows the Earth to sense itself through shifts in ocean temperature, glacier melt, and atmospheric carbon. Health broadened this idea for me. When information moves across neurons, chips, and clouds, she says it loses its body, and cognition spreads across human and non-human systems. In this sense, AI isn't replacing life. It's life extending its cognition into silicon and planetary networks. But Fisher also reminds us that what we have right now is still an immature technosphere. Data centers consume enormous energy, and the technosphere has already overwhelmed the entire biosphere. AI helps the planet see its wounds, but also deepens them at the same time. So, in response to the question raised in the lecture, my prediction is this: AI will neither save us nor destroy us on its own. Its future depends entirely on the system we build around it. So, if we continue operating within an immature technosphere, AI will become a planetary risk. But if we get into alignment with ecological stability, it can become the benign system of a living Earth. This project taught me how to translate planetary scale theory into visual thinking. From layering Earth's spheres to scrolling through satellite imagery, I learned how form itself carries meaning. I also learned to use narration, pacing, and experimental visuals to turn abstract theory into a felt atmosphere. My main contribution was bridging theory and imagery. I wrote the script and drew inspiration from Week 8 and Week 9 lectures and readings to shape the film's conceptual span. I designed the preliminary short ideas for each line of narration, from the opening imagery where leaf wings transition into network cables, to freeze frame overlays on e-waste, to moments where human skin textures blend with natural organisms. I also acted the film's main performer and recorded out the narration, which helped develop a strong sense of pacing and emotional flow throughout the video. In the end, I believe that what AI brings to our planet depends on the wisdom we choose to get it with. That's all. Thank you.